The application of Hydro Clean LDS-S includes removing all kinds of solder residues, removing FOD, removing contamination from handling and board manufacturing, cleaning of sensitive electronic devices and micromechanic components, power component and one-side misprints on complex assemblies, cleaning before conformal coating and wall bonding, cleaning of highly populated electronic assemblies with non-standoff such as FC, PCBA, CSP, BTC, QFN, MELF. Hydro Clean LDS-S has made significant changes in capacity and value. Cleaning capacity can be selected in two types, single frame and double frame. Marginal is designed for barrier-free access to the domestic standard freight elevator. Transportation is convenient. Wide range of standard and customized PCBA features. The cleaning process can be observed through illuminated glass door, up to 3 fully separated liquid loop, proportional level sensors in all places, outstanding options of water utilization. Windows 10 operating system adapts to check and adjust the system pressure, water level and temperature. Hot air knife drying shortens the drying time and makes better efficiency. Fully separated filtration system, 100 filtration of entire DI water to achieve zero waste discharge. Clean and sanitary, environmental protection and energy conservation.